Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, February 17th. We're going to take a look at the euro and more specifically what ended up happening. One of the trade setups from the trading room today ended up playing out pretty well, and that was a short based on a trend line break on a 30-minute and 5-minute and 500 tick price charts. Now you can see here what we were looking at. We had a really well-defined trend line. And the reason, so normally when we're looking at drawing trend lines, we want to be connecting pivots. Now, in this case, it's because we just have these little tiny bounces, several little tiny bounces, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different price bars that all traded right alongside this trend line here in a 30-minute price chart. So, whereas normally we're looking for pivots to put it on, well-defined pivots for drawing trend lines, this is the exception to the rule. The one exception is when you can get several price bars, and I mean like around 5 to 8 or so in a row, all trading alongside that trend line. Then you look for the break and you look for the acceleration, and that's what we ended up getting here. Now, the interesting thing about it, when we go into a trend line break, you want to look at the strength of the bar going into it, and we want to see a nice bearish close. And you can see here we opened right at the top, very nice strong down move and big close down below. And the reason that's important is because look at the range we had before on the climb, and then a lot of selling pressure came in and pushed it right to the trend line. So it gives you confirmation that it should be able to do this right here, which is run down. So great job to everybody in the trade room. Took the trade, worked out really well. That's all I have for you for today. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Remember, the trading room will be closed and then on Monday, and then open and run again on Tuesday after President's Day. So have a good holiday weekend, and until next time, happy trading.